So the atomination structures of the chemical proteins changes by the energies parabolical states and the paralytical structures of rotodendrifolia and circulation states of matter. So the teleophase of energies parabolical states changes when the energy have their coded structure of proteins. It changes by the cellular changes of it, like parabolical state. The cell continuity is there between the energies of particulates. The According to the energies parabolical states, the matter moves in a circulation of energies. They move like this, this, or in any another way. The phospholipids is remainly responsible for the changes in their state of motion or energies parabolical states. Because of the energies uh, because of the energies emission states of n minus 1 into z. This is responsible for the protolytical changes in the isomeric form of dimers. So the next topic we will focus here the energies ecological phenomenon exerted by REX and the FIH chemical change in energy. FIH protein redesign their energies by apolitical changes in them. So the energies parabolical states changes by the populus tremolis. This is the structure of which changes by the hypertropical structure of our body, which hypothesize the reaction of reaction cycles of oxidative positions, the prokinetic pairs. So the pericentric helical nitrogenous bases makes changes in the metabolical energies. This is responsible for the energies reduction or the states of matter. Like the areolar tissues are constituting the energies uh, with the skin. That's only the way the particulates interact with the matter. The two states in the metathetical reaction, the two states meet with each other. The parabolical changes can be the emidations of it. The biopathical structure could be changing by the phenomenon exerted by them. The particulates of energy move in between the alpha particles and the gamma particles for the energy gain pressure. The mass percent changes according to the energies analyzation. So the ecology of the chemical positions changes because of the emanations of the energies parabolical states. So the energies can be the having the paraleptical structures. Like in nematode species, the special structures are the chemical proteins which emanated are responsible for the more reaction cycles of hypothetical isomers, the telekinesis activity, which is between the chemical proteins which are responsible for the atomination structure of whole chemical. Because of it, the whole chemical structure changes and redesign their structure by the apolitical changes in them. So the next topic we will move here the structural proteins energy which make the catabolical changes in them. The amyloid structure which is responsible for the vidhania for the changes in the concentration of photocytosis. The photocytosis is the activity which is done by the energy levels of the collecting the energies metabolization in the histocompatibility complex in the cellular fluidic pathways. These are responsible for the energies transportation of their services, of their economy, of their ecology, or their structures of emanations. So here are the structures which make the hectic structure of domains, which make or imitate their structure for the dark DNA and the energies parabolical states. Dark DNA is a DNA in which the structures are imitated in imaginary forms, the like a cosmos structures, uh, which interacts with the matter, with the antimatter, with the circadian cyclic states. So the energies changes uh, because of it. The many diseases caused like migraine, Alzheimer, Parkinson, and another diseases caused by it. The medicational energy rates changes in rodents. So the energy parabolical states changes in rodents because of the metabolical rate variation. They have a variated states. So the here we will here the ecological changes are there, which are mainly responsible for the structural analysis of it, the occurrences of ecological structure of ATC AUG. Actinocorpus is a chemical which contains the energy starting point, the beginning of the energy making, which is mainly responsible for changes in the catalyst or the changes in the Gibbs free energies or the amylations and the fabricated protein. These are the changes which help during the anti-aging properties. The atomization structures according to the age changes with the amylated proteins. So the dimeric forms of it will be the postulates which arises with the energies phospholipids. They make a membrane structure for the transporting their good structure. They can be the energies parabolizations or the energies apoplectical changes. This is the energies parabolical states which um, interacts with the normal matter. In the body, we are made about the changes in our body by the phylogenetics or the structure of phytochemical genetics or the structure of domains. The glutamic acid is the acid which is responsible for the metabolization of serotonin in the brain, which is the structure of fat soluble proteins. So, if you have any queries, please comment, and if you like the video, please like it, and if you not subscribe, please subscribe it. Even I also know about the idea of stochastic meaning of giving the energies parabolical states. Thank you for